Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to sort any array without any sorting methods. Okay, please subscribe to my channel friends. This is my new channel I have started. If I got more views and subscriptions, it will make to do so many videos. Okay, let's get started friends. Let's get started. So for this we need environment. Okay, I am taking Visual Code as my editor, so you can choose any as your preference. So here we need to do this task we need a JS file, so I'm created a script.js file here. Okay, so friends, so today task is to sort this array in ascending order and descending order. Okay, so first for that I will create a function. Okay, so function, you know that function is very powerful, that we can use multiple times if we created once. Okay, so first I will create a function sort numbers. I am giving name to function as sort numbers. Okay, so I am passing one parameter, that is array. So inside I am taking one local variable to make logic, means while loop to run. So I am taking here one example, status. Okay, status is equal to, initially I am taking false. Okay, initially I am taking false. So let's get started. First we have to create a while loop. To while loop we have to pass the status code. Okay, so automatically this while loop gets started triggered. Okay, so get started. Okay, inside this while loop I will get status is equal to true. Okay, and for sorting we are using here for loop. Okay, for loop as for sorting the array. Okay, I am giving the for loop parameters. Let I is equal to 1 I am taking, and I less than I am taking the array length. Okay, array length, and incrementing the array with every iteration. Okay, this is my for loop. Inside this for loop I am making the condition with if. Okay, checking the condition. So if array if array I minus 1 is greater than array I, means what we are checking here, please observe clearly. So here we are checking that index of 0 is greater than or index of 1. We are checking here that. So if it is true, we have to make some small logic here. First we have to create one temp variable. Okay, in the temp variable initially I am saving that array. Okay, initially I am saving that array I minus 1 into temp variable, and so next step I am interchanging the places. Okay, so what array I minus 1 is equal to array I am interchanging the arrays places. Okay, array I is equal to temp variable. So simple. So logic is completed. So this for loop will automatically sorts the array, and finally what we have to do, we have to return that array. Okay, return that array, right? we are returning. So our function is ready. So we have to use this function. So sorry, I'm keeping this at the top of the list. So I'm taking the array. Okay, next I'm using the function. Which function? So here we are returning at line number 16, that's why we have to create one variable. Okay, so const my sorted array. Okay, my something, any name, so any my array is equal to, I am using sorting numbers which I have created method. I am using the sorting numbers method which just I have created, right? So for that I am passing array. Okay, I am passing array. So it is returning some it is performing some logic and returning some output. So okay, I am printing that, for example console.log, I am returning that array. Okay, check, let's check. To run this script, so I'm using the node.js. So node script. So okay, let's check it. So check here to, sorry, greater than or less I minus 1. sorry, it's getting it's not getting as expected. Why it's not getting 3527? So we are passing array, so array length. Okay, array. Okay, temp variable. Okay, we are passing I minus 1. Okay, I plus I greater than or equal to array dot length. Okay, array dot length. Okay, sorry, I forgot here the, what is the mistake is I forgot that. So here each iteration we are making as true, right? After completing the loop we have to make status code as false. Okay, so now it will work. Okay, this is my mistake, sorry for that. So now once again check the output. So node script.js. so now check here. So we are getting 2357 as expected, right? So whatever you give, it will sorts. Okay, whatever it give, it will sort. Check once again, I'm adding some more numbers and checking that 2357795, right? So array is getting sorting in ascending order, right? So ascending order. If the interviewer asked you to sort the numbers in descending order, okay, sort the numbers in descending order, nothing, just same logic, just you have to change less than, greater than to less than. Okay, just greater than to less than. Just now check again, output, check. Okay, output is as expected. Okay, in descending order. So this is the logic. This will helpful in your career for cracking so many interviews. So most of the interviews, so many members are asking, so many interviewers are asking this question. So okay, please subscribe my channel to get more content from my side. So thank you very much.